Back up off of the phone. You can pull it back with. I love it, man. All right, y'all. We doing carpet here at the restaurant in Troy. JD's Floor Care Service. I'm sure y'all what's going on. We're using the Cx-15, and as you can see, it's cutting the dirt. That's what we done. That's what we haven't done. So it's cutting the dirt. We get back with y'all. I want y'all to see what's going on. Get close down on it. Coming to do that? Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, I thought I'd step in right here and let you guys know what's going on. This was cleaning that we did at a restaurant not too far from where I stay, a restaurant that we go dine in during the week or maybe the weekend. We was finally able to get in and get their cleaning done for the owner, which this carpet that we did is older carpet. It's been in the building a long time, but the owner wanted the middle section clean. He's gonna wait to get the booths done later, and he was very satisfied with the work. And you're gonna see his response at the end of the video. But I want to let you guys know what's going on. We use the Cx-15 tool, which for me performed great. Cut down on time, cut down on labor. This tool is phenomenal for me. This tool been out for probably over at least 15 years. I've heard of a lot of cleaners give this tool a bad reputation because it looks and feels flimsy. And you can only operate this tool going backwards, which you have the zipper, and other tools that may be operational is going forward and backwards, which is great because you're able to cut down labor and cut down time on jobs. But for me, this tool worked great and it got the job done. Also, good chemistry helps with the job as well. We use trash green, which is a low pH neutral cleaner, and we used grease eater, and we boosted it and let it dwell. And then we was able to agitate it with the CRB to agitate those chemicals down in the fibers and let it release. And lo and behold, CRB came in, not CRB guys, sorry. The Cx-15 came in and finished the job off. And I was amazed at the results and satisfied. Job came out well. Go with it. You hold the trigger, you got to start going with it. Hold it down. You satisfied with the work?
Yeah, next time we're gonna move the booth.
Okay. We'll come back and move the booth. We can do that on Saturday or something. But you satisfied with y'all to see all the grease. I wish I would have showed y'all the grease. But all of it came up. You know, when they come out of the kitchen, it was grease all up through here. Me and my nephew Keon. Now these are wore out areas. This is older carpet, but it came out fantastic. The owner is fine, happy with the work. We're happy with the work. So thank y'all. Turned out good.